Okay, time for testing. First, let's clear all the DHCP bindings or leases on router R1. So clear IP DHCP bindings and an asterisk for all. Okay, let's see the binding table. Show IP DHCP binding. Okay, it is empty. Then let's also completely delete the DHCP leases file in the virtual machine because it will be generated by the application anyway. So DHCP leases.txt. Okay. Now first let's open the application and try to simulate 10 DHCP clients. So Python DHCP sim.py eth1 s for simulation. We want 10 clients and the interface is eth1. Let's wait for a while. Okay, no errors. First let's check the router to see the debugging messages. Okay, so we have quite a lot of debugging messages. Let's also verify the binding table. So show IP DHCP binding. We can see 10 IP addresses that were leased to our virtual DHCP clients. Now let's check the DHCP leases file. So cat DHCP leases.txt. We have the same IP addresses in this file, so these are the leases that the server sent to the virtual clients. Okay, great. Okay, so we have the leases saved into the file by the application, and also we have 10 virtual DHCP clients being created. Now, without quitting the application, let's try to release one address for now. Let's say the first address, .33. So R for the release menu, S for a single address. Let's type in the address, so 192.168.2.33. Now let's check R1's console and binding table. So we can see a DHCP release packet being received by the router. Let's check the binding table. Okay, so notice that the address list for the IP address .33 is gone from the binding table. Cool. Now let's try to release all the addresses we got from the server, also without quitting the application. So A for release all addresses. Let's look at R1's console again. You can see a lot of other DHCP debug messages. Let's check the binding table. Okay, so now the binding table is empty. Finally, let's check if the DHCP leases file was cleared. So let me get back here. Indeed it was. Great. Success again. I will leave further testing to you. I just wanted to prove that the main functionality was successfully achieved. You can test how the program behaves when different unexpected conditions occur or various exceptions are raised. And also you can add more messages or try except blocks to cover other failures that might occur. Of course, I'm sure that this application can be improved in many ways, and you may already have some ideas to do this, but I think it works as expected, and the main idea behind the DHCP client simulator was covered.